This is an opportunity for Wales, for us, to qualify for a World Cup. It's massive for the country, of course it is. The excitement, the buzz around the place. When you've got the quality that we've got in that changing room, and you see that when it all comes together, it's good, then you trust in that. It was Speedo that first started this, and I've just continued that momentum. Like I said, when you've got a good group of senior players in the changing room that we've got, it's easy to manage them because they continue that culture and that changing room. Just to represent your country is a great honour, but they'll all understand the importance of the game and the opportunity that they've got to go down in history. We've given ourselves an unbelievable opportunity. I'll sleep well tonight because I trust in the players. I've got a great group of lads, honestly. It's a pleasure to work with them. I'm honoured to work with them day in, day out.
It's a massive game. I think there's no hiding it. I've only ever played in one World Cup, so this is a stepping stone that all of us want to take to play on the biggest level. We have a massive game tomorrow that we're desperate to win to achieve our goal. We love playing at home, love playing in front of our fans. I think it's a cauldron for us. We love the atmosphere that what the fans create. They really are our 12th man, and when we are feeling tired, they sing the anthem, they get behind us and give us those extra energy levels that we need. It's been amazing for us. We're all massively motivated to qualify for the World Cup. We've put ourselves in with a great chance. One game to go. We know it's going to be a difficult game against a difficult team. It's all on the line come tomorrow. Everyone wants to play in a World Cup, and it's no different for me, no different for every member in this squad, every coach, every staff member. We're all working towards one goal, and that's trying to win the game tomorrow. Every game that we play at home is incredible, especially when it's a big game. The fans never ever let us down. The atmosphere will be incredible. Like always, we'll give 110% on the pitch like we always do. We're a nation that's united, and we're ready to go come kick off tomorrow.
Funny tech.
That was out. That was out.
Oh my God! Off the end, son. Yes! 3-2. Winners. 3-2.
High knees, please. Up, 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 up. Here it is. Yeah, good. High knees, Joey. Good, Joel. Roden, excellent. Good. Do one off the right hand side, one off the left hand side. Good. Ben, on the way back. Ben, you finish on the yellow. Yeah, good, Sparky. Stay low. Great feet move. Excellent. You come back now. Stay there, Sparky. Stay there.
Cheers, Joe.
Sit there, have a drink. Ready to go. A little bit of style. Hey, leg over the ball.
Lego.
Way you go. Ruben, very good. Quicker, sharper. Quicker movement. Quicker movement.
Just need speed.
One. Joe Roden.
Yes, keep.
Good. Good. Working it in. Go, it's a big step. That's Joe. Yeah, good. Press it there, Gareth. 1, 3 and 6 again. This time as you receive the ball. That's good. Now we're working. Now we're working. Now we're working. Good. There it is. Good. Yeah, now you're working. Now you're working, Joe. Brilliant. Brilliant. I want a winner. I need a winner. I need a winner. No hands, right? Get yourself a drink. Well done, boys. Let's shoot that. Excellent, Rab.
Hey, look, on. Time, plenty of time.
Come on, Keith. Top of the pitch, Keith. Come on. Someone stretch. Switch it. Come on, Rab. Inside, Rab. What is? 5-2. so true! Get him!
That feeling when you see the referee pull the whistle to his lips and you know that's the end of it, then that's the only time I could relax for that split second. And it is the best feeling in the world. Gary Speed started this 12, 13 years ago, and I want to dedicate that to Gary as well. He started the culture 12 years ago, and there was a difference, there was a change. And the environment completely changed, so I've inherited that. I'm Chris Coleman, took it on and took it to another level, and I've inherited that group. And we're just confident going into games now. We don't hope to qualify for the Euros or the World Cup now. We believe we can do it. I think we're growing in confidence game by game. In 2016, when we got the semi-finals, did we punch above our weight? Yeah, absolutely. In Baku, in the last Euros, did we surprise a lot of people by getting out of the group? Probably not, so expectations changed. I didn't see this as a miracle tonight. I was full of confidence, and of course we're up against tough opposition, but we're growing in confidence camp by camp, and now, it's not unusual then for us to qualify for major tournaments. Pleased for the senior boys. I said the young players have been spoilt rotten. They've qualified for a Euros and a World Cup consecutively. So, the senior boys have had to wait a long time for that, and it just shows the path that we're on. It shows that the quality and depth that we've got now.
It's a World Cup in November, December, so I think any player will tell you, whoever they are, it's a major tournament that everybody wants to play and everyone wants to test themselves. In the changing room, from the fans, we have that kind of good mixture of we can have a bit of fun, but when we need to work, we work hard, we do it correctly, and it's a great balance. Backroom staff with Alan Nill and Kit Simons and all the other staff have been incredible, and I guess that's why you achieve big things when your team's happy and your manager's doing well.
We were still pinching ourselves, honestly, it's unbelievable. The day after I woke up and it was like, oh my God, it is reality. I'm proud for my family, I'm proud to be from the valleys and listening to how proud they are. It's an opportunity for us as a playing staff and staff to give our thanks and appreciation to the staff that don't get recognition. So that's to you lot. We're all in it together. What we achieved last night as a group is unbelievable. We will absolutely go down in history, and exciting times ahead for us. We spoke about the Poland game, that's the youth, that's the next batch coming through as well. So it's not only for the success right now, tick that box, we're off to the World Cup. It's about the future as well, and it's looking very, very bright with how and what we're developing through the younger age groups. But on behalf of the players, I want to thank all of you for your efforts and hard work. You've been outstanding for us, and like I said, you don't get the recognition because the supporters don't necessarily see that, but all of us appreciate your hard work and effort. So thanks very much on behalf of the players. All of us now as a group, we believe that we can compete with the best. We've earned the right to be in the World Cup. It's so nice for everybody involved with being Welsh and involved with the football side here, and we're very, very proud.